Hello everyone. Today you are going to begin writing another part of your mini autobiography. And for this chapter, you're going to be writing about your future, what you would like to be when you grow up. The first step is to do what you've been doing already, which is to brainstorm your ideas. And I've jotted down some brainstorm ideas already, because I don't have a board to write on, so I did this already. And instead of writing about myself, I thought, let me just use my son Ben as an example to write down his ideas about what he wanted to do when he grew up. And so first, this is my brainstorming sheet. You could do this right in your home notebook, and I wrote brainstorm up here. That's when your mind is just full of ideas. And I wrote my future, and first I wrote down he had many ideas, many things, just like you, just like me. What should I be when I grow up? So first, just jot down all of your thoughts, many ideas. He wanted to be an athlete when he was a kid. He was a very athletic kid. He thought about being a historian, someone who reads all about history, because he always loved doing that. He enjoyed reading and reading and reading and reading. And he also thought about being a teacher when he was a kid. But for this assignment, you have to pick. It doesn't mean that when you grow up, you have to do the thing that you write about today. Some kids worry about that. You don't have to do that, but these are your ideas. So for the purposes of this assignment, pick one. So we're going to pick teacher, and that actually is what Ben is doing now as a grown-up. And he would write that he wanted to be a teacher because he likes kids, he loves sharing information, and he loves traveling. And he knows that teachers are needed all over the world. So your next step after you do the brainstorm is to take that information and put it on a paraburger. Again, I have this all ready because I can't just write it out on this paper easily. So up here in this top roll is your topic sentence. And I wrote about him, there are many things I would like to do in the future, but I think I'd most like to be a teacher. Good topic sentence. Notice that I went out of the lines a bit, and that is okay, because this is your thinking document. It's your sloppy copy. Detail 1. This detail backs up this first topic sentence. I love to be with children, so I think I'd enjoy teaching. Detail 2. Teachers have to enjoy sharing information, and I like it. Detail 3. I love to travel, and teachers are needed all over the world. These are 3 good reasons that explain why he might want to be a teacher. A concluding sentence that wraps it all up, that pulls it all together. When I grow up, I would love being a teacher. So instead of saying in the future, you could then say when I grow up. It's another way of saying the same thing. It makes the writing a little bit more interesting. So today you're going to brainstorm about your future and then pick an idea. Have 3 good details that show why that's a good choice for you, and a concluding sentence. Have fun.